Good morning, my dear students. Let us learn maths. Kindly take your textbook, page number 119. Page number 119. Lesson number 3. Patterns and shapes. Patterns are repeated shapes. Patterns are repeated shapes. We find patterns everywhere. We find patterns everywhere. In nature, we find patterns on. Dear students, in your textbook you can see the different pattern and shapes of leaves, flowers and animals, isn't it? And down you see color pattern. The different colors are given in different shape. Next, number patterns. Number 1, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is given. Here each time how many number is skipped? 1 number. So in the blank you have to fill skipping every time 1 number. Okay. After 9 you have to write 11, then 13, then 15. Second, 80, 90, 100 and 110. Here each time how many number is skipped? 10. So in the blank you have to write 120, 130 and 140. Number 3, 5, 10, 15 and 20 is given. So here each time how many number is skipped? 5 number. In the blank you have to write 25, 30 and 35. Number 4, 10, 18, 26 and 34 is given. Each time here how many number is skipped? 8 number. So in the blank you have to write 42, 50 and 58. Number 5, 61, 55, 49 and 43 is given. Here difference you can see, number is coming down, isn't it? So in the blank you have to write 37, 31 and 25. Number 6, 56, 59, 62, 65. Here each time how many number is skipped? 3 number. So in the blank you have to write 68, 71 and 74. Next, point. A small round mark or spot made with a pen or pencil is a point. For example, here you see A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z is given and there the small dot is there. A small point is there with red ink, isn't it? Full stop is a point. Points are named using capital letters. Points are named using capital letters. Example of points found in our daily life are leaf, pin, pencil, etc. Here you see in leaf there is point, pin there is point, pencil there is point. Next, line segment. When two points are joined, a line segment is formed. Dear students, remember, when two points are joined, a line segment is formed. A line segment is the shortest distance between any two points. A line segment is the shortest distance between any two points. Example is given here, you see. In the line, both side point is there and XY name is given. A line segment can be written as XY. Now you can do the experiment. Take a piece of woolen thread and stretch it from two end points. A straight line is formed. Take a piece of woolen thread and stretch it from two end points. A straight line is formed. Okay. Next you see, straight line can be horizontal. Straight line can be horizontal. You can remember as a sleeping line also. It will be easy for you if you remember sleeping line is a horizontal line. So straight line can be horizontal. Straight line is called horizontal line. Standing line is called vertical line. And third one you see from both sides it is slanting. Okay, it is slanting line. Horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line. Dear students, try to identify it. Okay, horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line. Here some of the examples are given. Next, curve line. Now place the piece of thread on the table. You can see a curve. Dear students, when we put some thread on the table or on the floor, automatically curve line is formed, isn't it? Some curves found in daily life are hand lines, broken bangle pieces, eyebrow, etc. Where we find the curve line? Okay, in our hand we can see the curve line. In broken bangle pieces we can see curve. Eyebrow, it is a curve line. Lips, there is also we find curve line. And leaf, there also we find curve line. Okay. Next, line. When a line segment extends indefinitely in both directions, a line is formed. Arrow on both sides indicates that line can be extended from both sides. Here you can see in the line both side arrow is given, isn't it? If both side arrow is there, it indicates that line can be extended from both sides. A line can be written as XY. Some of the lines found around you are partition on road, sea and sky, railway track. These are the examples. Next, ray. When a line segment extends only in one direction, it becomes a ray. When a line segment extends only in one direction, it becomes a ray. Dear students, here you can see one side point is there, full stop is there, and other side arrow is given, isn't it? Which side there is arrow, that side we can extend as much as we can. Okay, but other side we cannot. Only the side where arrow is given, that side we can extend. Hope you got it something. Dear students, for your homework, try to identify the patterns and shapes. Okay. Thank you, dear students.